Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, just ignore my hair. I know my makeup is like super done and my hair is super not. I'm about to go out later tonight, but I needed to film this video first and I'm running out of time, so I figured I would do it now before I did my hair. So just excuse that. But basically in today's video, we are going to be unboxing some blind boxes. I haven't done a video like this in a couple months, and you guys know I love blind boxes. So I'm very excited. I have the Disney Doorables. They're super cute. I'm super excited. I'm out of breath. I just like walked upstairs to film this video, and I guess I didn't give myself enough time to breathe. So that's why I sound like this right now. But anyways, I went to the Dollar Tree last week and they had some Doorables. They came in like a little blind bag and I got Simba. Super cute. So I was going to get more of those, but the Dollar Tree ran out, of course. So I went to Five Below and I got these instead, which I'm sure these are like better quality. And I'm just very excited. And we have 4 to open today. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, it's super cute. So you have, oh, there's 2 things in here. Ooh, cute. I wonder if they have like a little, I was like, they usually have a little pamphlet that shows you like all of the characters. So we have some fairies, some Alice in Wonderland. Oh, I definitely want some Alice in Wonderland characters. We have Monsters, Inc. We have Hercules. And we have a lot more. Holy crap. So these are scented. Oh, I hope we get a scented one. I want a scented one so bad. We have Turning Red. We have Wreck-It Ralph. We have the Young Princesses. We have Big Hero 6, which I've never seen that. And we have Lady and the Tramp. I am super excited. Let's just go ahead and get into the first 2 bags. Now, the one from the Dollar Tree only had 1 thing in there, so I don't know if we get 2 figures. I literally know nothing about these. I just know that they're Disney. ASMR. Okay. Who is this? I don't recognize this. Give me 1 second. Is this from Wreck-It Ralph or something? I don't recognize this. It's not scented. Oh, okay. This is Abby from Turning Red. I've only seen that movie once, so I didn't really recall this from first look. But okay, so we got Abby from Turning Red. All right, let's hope the next one, I actually know. If this is even another one, I don't know what this second bag is. So it is 2 people in a bag. I didn't know that. Okay, this is who we got. This is King Candy from Wreck-It Ralph, which I also didn't know from first glance because I've only seen Wreck-It Ralph once. I really need characters that I recognize from first glance. There's him. Okay, now we have our second one. God, this is tight. I'm so excited. Ashleigh. I may get a little too excited. This is Randall from Monsters, Inc. Look at how cute. I did recognize him. I did recognize Mr. Randall. Okay, that one's the favorite so far. Second one. We got Alice. Are you freaking kidding me? Look at how cute she is. You guys, she is so cute. Oh, and she stands like this. She stands upside down. That is so cool. That was such a good bag. I'm so freaking happy. All right. Ooh, I got this one in 1 clean rip. All right, next. There we go. We got, ooh. Wait. Why is he dirty? He's really dirty in his face. But he's so cute. I'm blanking out on what his name. Oh, this is just Caterpillar. Oh, I thought he would have like a name for some reason. This is Caterpillar. Okay. So we got a lot of our Alice in Wonderland so far. And we got a fairy. We got Vidya. Super cute. She has really pretty wings. So cute. Okay. We have one more bag. And then we'll go through all the characters and see if I got any rare ones. All right. Okay, maybe. I want a scented one so bad. I'm really hoping we get one of them. Is this little Moana? Hold on. It is! It's little baby Moana! This is adorable. I love Moana. That is such a good movie. Okay, we are on our very last bag. I'm really manifesting a scented one. Oh, this is so cute. It's kind of hard to see with the white. Oh, it's the Pegasus from Hercules. I've also only seen Hercules like once when I was little. So now I'm just going to quickly go over like the rarities. So there's like a color chart here. White is common, green is rare, blue is ultra rare, purple is special edition, and yellow is limited edition. So we're just going to go through real quick and see if we got any rare ones. So Abby is a very common one. King Candy is a rare one. Young Moana is a rare one. And let's go to the other side. Vidya is ultra rare. And Alice is very common. The Caterpillar is rare. Randall is rare. And Pegasus is common. I think that's all the ones that we got. I am definitely getting more of these. I'm going to try to collect them all. They are so freaking cute. Let me know which one was your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this super quick video. I really just wanted to open up these mystery boxes with you guys because you know I love them. Hopefully you guys love them too. And I also hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!